Welcome to another exciting episode of Python Explained. In this episode, we'll dive into the world of variables in Python. Variables are essential for storing and manipulating data in your Python programs. We'll explore what variables are, how to declare them, and provide you with code examples to make it crystal clear. So, let's get started. A variable in Python is like a box that can hold different types of data. Think of it as a container for information. Variables are used to store values, and these values can be numbers, text, or any other data type. To declare a variable in Python, you simply choose a name for your variable and use the equals symbol to assign a value to it. Python # declaring a variable named age and assigning it a value. Age equals 25. In this example, we've declared a variable named age and assigned it the value 25. Now, age holds the value 25. Python supports various data types, such as integers, floats, strings, and more. You can declare variables of different types to store different kinds of data. Python # declaring variables of different types. Name equals Alice. Height equals 1.75. Is _student equals true. In this example, we've declared three variables: name as a string, height as a float, and is _student as a boolean. When naming variables, there are some rules to follow. Variable names can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Variable names must start with a letter or an underscore.
Variable names are case sensitive, e.g., age and age are different.
Python # valid variable names. First underscore name equals John. Underscore last underscore name equals Doe. Num underscore students equals 100. These are valid variable names that follow the rules. You can change the value of a variable by reassigning it. Python # reassigning a variable. Age equals 30. In this example, we've changed the value of the age variable from 25 to 30. Variables are extremely useful in calculations and operations. Python # using variables in calculations. A equals 5. B equals 3. Result equals A plus B. Here, we've declared two variables A and B and used them to calculate the sum stored in the result variable. And there you have it. Variables are essential in Python for storing and manipulating data. Remember to choose meaningful names for your variables, follow naming rules, and make good use of them in your code. Thanks for joining us in this episode of Python Explained. Stay tuned for more exciting Python topics in future episodes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Happy coding!